Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. What is your passion? Some might be their passion for cooking, others passion for decorating the house. Some, they have passion for singing. In other words, when you talk about passion, it is something that we want to do. In our gospel reading today, Jesus said, I have come to set the earth on fire. And Jesus wants that there is passion in our hearts. As we try to reflect in our gospel reading, there are three challenges in terms of passion. Number one, passion to do what we do not want to do. And that is very challenging. There's no question when things are palatable to our minds. They want. And so there's no problem. There's no struggle. But the struggle is when we are asked to do the things we do not like. Have you experienced that? Kanabitan yung mga anak, suguan yung anak, gahi, kay ang ending, kamura po'y mabuhat. Bugat kayo ang mga butang nga di ta ganahan mubuhat mo nang atong unya-unyaon. Passion to do what we do not want to do. Number two, passion to sustain. Niatong batanon pa ko, doon nato'y banda nga gitawag og intro boys. Kinamdum mo ato? Katubang intro boys nga mayra sa sugod. Di kalahutay. Maupod na ta. Mayra sa sugod. There's so much passion on the first day of work. There's so much passion the first day of class. There's so much passion when things are new. And even when relationship is new. Excited kay ta. First day of work. Excited kay ta kung magkita ka sa imong crush. Excited ka kung bag-o ang imong cellphone. But how about when things falter, magkadugay? Kumusta man iyong relationship karon? Being husband and wife. Is there their passion? Makaingon ba ka nga ang inyong gugma mas init pa karon sama ni atong 20, 30 years niadtong first time mo nagkita? How about ang atong pagtrabaho karon? After 5, 10 years of working, is still their passion? Excited gihapon ka biskang Lunes? Number 3, passion to do the heavenly things. We have so much passion to do what is earthly. Kung sa may earthly, tanaw Netflix, mag-shopping, suroy-suroy. How about passion in heavenly things? Passion in going to church. Passion to pray the rosary. Passion to pray. Diba? Kita, di man pasabot nga ang atong intensity to go to church every day, every Sunday, pareha gihapon. Doon na may mga panahon nga, di taganahan musimba. Nay panahon di taganahan magrosaryo. Biska ang pagpanguros makalimot ta. Because there is no passion. And that is our prayer into this Mass. That the fire of passion would continue until things become accomplished.